Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to give a quick introduction of the upcoming RoomDB series that I'm going to. RoomDB is built on top of SQLite. It is an abstraction layer built on top of SQLite. To utilize the full power of SQLite using RoomDB APIs, you will be able to harness all the power of SQLite. Room is a part of Android Jetpack libraries. To read more about the Room persistence library, you can refer to this link. I'll leave this in the description. To talk about the database architecture, so the database is present is, as we discussed, the SQLite database. So from our app, we will be using mainly two entities to access the data from the Room database. One is the database itself, the second one is entity, which represents the tables of our database, and the third one is DAO, with which we will be accessing data from our database to our app. This is the main architecture of this Room persistence library. We will be implementing all these aspects in the upcoming tutorials.